There is massive relief coming in for Arnab Goswami and Team Republic. It's a big blow for the Mamata government and the Calcutta High Court has quashed the FIR that is naming Arnab Goswami. It's quashed the FIR naming Arnab Goswami in an earlier case in which he had also been named. This is the big breaking news coming in on an earlier case in which the Calcutta High Court had Okay, all right. So the big breaking news coming in, it's a big relief for Arnab and a big blow for the Mamata government. As this case that had been fought in the Calcutta High Court, viewers, I'm going to give you great details about what really happened. It is a big victory coming for Arnab Goswami as we win the case in the Calcutta High Court. The judgment is out today. And viewers, I just want to tell our viewers what this is about. This is a case that happened in which the Mamata government fielded its top lawyers in the court and stated that a panelist who had made certain allegations against some communities, we had not condemned it, and Republic TV and Arnab had actually tried to create a rift between communities. In a big blow to them, and they fought very hard in the Calcutta High Court. Today the High Court gives a victory to us in a big win for Arnab and a big blow for Mamata government. The Calcutta High Court has clearly said there was no intention by Arnab, no words by Arnab. He completely condemned the acts of the panelist. He distanced himself from those words and views. In fact, why we are saying this is a big win is also because the court said that this telecast was condemned. It was condemned not only on TV, it was also condemned on all the other sites. The court is also now saying the controversial statement was a public opinion of a panelist relating to a certain incident. It had nothing to do with us. And here's why. Let me put this into perspective. This comes after the Karnataka High Court in a case in which an FIR was also issued against Republic TV in a section 41A was also issued against Arnab, had given victory to us. Then in Rajasthan court, where we were fighting a battle against a Congress leader who had filed a case against us, a stay order, an interim stay order, but a stay order later, a relief had come to us. And now the Calcutta High Court, we win in the Calcutta High Court, where the Calcutta High Court says there is no case made out by the Mamata government. The court has also gone on to say there is no 153A made. The court has said it's another huge legal victory for Arnab in the Calcutta High Court, and the words of the court are crystal clear. And I want to go across to what the court has actually said in this, because actually that is the butt of the matter. They said the controversial telecast in the case was condemned by Arnab on such sites when the clip was already available. The controversial statement was a personal opinion of a panelist. The opinion was personal. They've then gone on to say that Arnab distanced himself from the statements. He condemned the statements. He never encouraged the statements. He condemned the act of the panelist. It is for the panelist to issue an apology. They've also said several times over there was no intention to create any disharmony between any communities. It's the big victory for Arnab, big victory for Team Republic, when the court at one point says in the present case, the statements on the basis of which the present case has been registered was made by another accused, by the accused on a live show. There is no prima facie evidence to substantiate the allegations under section 153A of the IPC against Arnab. Nothing was done to make a case out under 153A. Viewers, 153A has often been used against Republic TV before in the earlier act, which was the earlier era act of the earlier IPC against us, stating that animosity was trying to be created. However, the big breaking news coming in, the court says nothing was done. No ingredients of 153 have been satisfied in this case, and in this present case, there is nothing that can show that Arnab Goswami made those statements or the program was telecast in a way in which those statements were wrongly made.